G'day, Mark Allen here. Let's talk about radiators. Essentially, they're just a water-to-air heat exchanger. They replace the heat that's built up inside your engine with the cold from outside of your engine, and that is pretty much all they do. Traditionally, they used to be made from copper top and bottom tanks and brass cores, which are the fins and the tubes, for their superior heat dissipation, resistance to corrosion and ease of repair. Plastic radiators were the solution to the heavier brass and copper units. They generally use an aluminium core with plastic top and bottom tanks, which is what my Troopy and most modern vehicles use. These plastic and aluminium radiators are generally a replaceable part, not a repairable part. So if you score a crack or a hole in one, generally you flick them goodbye and put a new one in. If you're out in the bush and you really get stuck, you can do a bit of a welding job on the top and bottom plastic tanks if you really need to. And then you've got your aluminium radiators. These offer all the benefits of the older brass and copper units, as well as the plastic and alloy versions, but with a few major benefits. They are lighter, they can offer smaller build sizes that do the same job or better than a larger, older style unit. They can handle higher pressures without damage, are more robust and more durable, they're less susceptible to corrosion and rust, they can absorb heat quickly, meaning they can cool the hot coolant that runs through them much faster. Plus, they are serviceable should something break. These premium quality, heavy duty Terrain Tamer aluminium radiators are a fully pressed design, incorporating fusion welding of parts, so there's no traditional style welding to crack. They have aluminium top and bottom tanks and an improved fin pitch and tube count, offering greater cooling capacity, and a stainless steel mounting brackets to ensure a reliable and robust fit. The Terrain Tamer alloy radiators feature a built-in sensor plug for fitment of a low-level alarm with a dash-mounted LED light and buzzer to let you know if something is wrong well before a major overheating problem occurs. For my money, once my plastic radiator packs it in, I'll be swapping it over for this Terrain Tamer heavy-duty aluminium version. Or maybe I shouldn't wait. Given the extra safety features that this one offers, I should do it now for peace of mind, no matter where I'm driving.
Terrain Tamer have a 50-year-old promise to deliver quality engineered four-wheel drive parts. Let's learn more in Terrain Tamer Uncovered.